Just 3 ingredients and your dinner will be ready. Friends, let's start our recipe by grating 3 peeled potatoes. Today we are going to make a very practical and quick dinner for you to enjoy at your home, and if you like potato recipes, leave them here below. I love potatoes. With our grated potatoes I will add a teaspoon of salt, 3 whole eggs, and I'm going to mix everything very well. Now in a frying pan I'm going to add a little olive oil to grease it so there's no risk of our recipe sticking. And now I'm going to add half of our potato and egg mixture here to the skillet and spread it well. Now I'm going to add 4 slices of seedless tomatoes here on top of our recipe. I'm going to put them right in the middle. And I will also add grated mozzarella cheese on top of the tomatoes. The amount is to taste. Is that okay? This cheese will make our recipe even more delicious, but if you don't like it, you don't need to add it. Now I'm going to add the rest of our potato and egg mixture on top and spread it very well, carefully. Now just cover and let it cook over low heat. We have already cooked our recipe on one side, and now so that both sides are well browned I am going to turn it over and cook it on the other side. See how practical it is to turn it over with the help of the frying pan lid. Now just leave it for a few more minutes. Our recipe is ready, just enjoy. I'm going to cut a piece here to see how our recipe turned out, and I'll tell you how it tasted. It was definitely delicious because the smell is wonderful. I'm going to add a little ketchup here because I like it a lot, but if you like another sauce you can use it too, but I think this recipe goes well with ketchup. Look how delicious. Now I'm going to try this delicious recipe. My God! It was very good. This recipe is perfect. You can make it.